I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you make perfect nachos at home. First, let's build a strong foundation. Choose sturdy tortilla chips like restaurant-style or thick-cut varieties so they can hold up to all your delicious toppings. Spread your chips in a single, even layer across a baking sheet. This ensures every chip gets perfectly heated and covered in cheese. Also, have your protein like seasoned ground beef or shredded chicken, cooked and ready to go. Now let's talk about layering for maximum flavor. For the best melt and taste, use a blend of cheeses, perhaps a sharp cheddar and a creamy Monterey Jack. Sprinkle a generous amount of cheese over your chips, making sure to cover as many as possible. Next, add your cooked protein like that seasoned ground beef, along with other toppings that benefit from heating, such as black beans or corn. This creates a delicious base layer. It's time to bake your nachos to perfection. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your baking sheet in the oven and cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. You'll know they are ready when the cheese is beautifully melted and bubbly, and the edges of your chips are slightly golden brown. Once done, carefully remove them from the oven. The next step is adding those fresh, cool toppings for a wonderful textural and temperature contrast. Finally, it's time to serve and customize your amazing homemade nachos. Garnish them with vibrant, fresh ingredients such as diced tomatoes, thinly sliced jalapenos, and a sprinkle of fresh cilantro. For an extra touch, offer a selection of dipping sauces on the side, like cool sour cream, creamy guacamole, and zesty salsa. Remember, nachos are incredibly versatile, so feel free to experiment with different proteins, cheeses, and vegetables to create your signature dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.